Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am ready to show you my Kit and layout share for my Citrus Twist kit for the month of December. I actually used the stamp set this month, so that was exciting. I only used one, but I still used it. I have one cork piece left. I feel like this is going to go on a New Year's Eve page, definitely. I just haven't scrapbooked it yet. Have two little pieces of the cut apart sheet left. This is all the pattern paper that I have left. A little piece of cut apart sheet with lines on the back and then wood grain with winter words. These are the only epoxy stickers I have left. I used a whole bunch of them. I have some of the die cuts left from Take Note. Some of these I'll definitely use, some of them probably not. I have all the numbers, didn't use any of those. This was actually from last month's, but I used more this month than I did last month, so I want to show that. I have plenty of letter stickers left. All the numbers. This is good. And then I used a good amount of these as well. So that is what I have left in the kit. And then let me show you the layouts that I completed. Now, I think there's only 2 process videos because I was getting these done at the end of the month and I needed to get them done before my January kit came. My goodness. Okay, so here's the first one. It's called Chill Everyday Life Moments, and that was just because I built a title. It's of Disney Springs. So give you a little close up there. So that's one. Here is the second one. This is Think Happy You're at the Hall of Presidents. And I pulled in some gold stars from the Chamel sticker book. I got that for Christmas. And here's where I put in some of those words from the Pink Fresh Studio that I didn't use very much of last month. This is a coordinating page. These are the ones I have process videos for. This is for the left-hand side of the page. And then this is the right side of the page. So even though it's not a spread, it does coordinate, and it will coordinate in my album. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5. This is my son at home with his diploma. I cut, this had bookworm on it on the die, but I cut that off and just had a worm and felt like I needed something there so the worm wasn't floating. So we have Oh Happy Day. And then this one is Happy Adventures, and we went and saw Rogue One. I don't have photos of it, but I did have the tickets, so I went ahead and documented that and added a bunch of stars and such. So that's it. Woo! Excuse me. Well, the question is, do I re-record all of that, or do I leave those sneezes in? And honestly, guys, I think the sneezes are going to stay in. So I will see you soon. Have a good one.